Hi, it's Michael LaFido, founder of the Luxury Listing Specialist and author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist. This is our 2018 year in review, so to speak. We've had a lot of things to be thankful for, and we made a lot of strides in continuing to raise the bar in real estate, period, let alone luxury real estate. So we did 13 live certification classes this year, 13 live certification classes from the East Coast to down south to Canada. We did a couple of them right here where I'm based in Chicago, 13 live certification classes. And we've had agents from 27 states represented so far in 2018. 27 states, 13 live trainings. We've done over 20 trainings, and we've been on the road a lot this year. Our miles are definitely adding up with our frequent flyer miles. But with that being said, just a couple different points I want to tell you about. We are very excited. We did form a strategic alliance with Who's Who in Luxury Real Estate, and we are fortunate to present at both of their conferences this year. And we had 155 Remax Integra agents get certified just in the second half of 2018. Remax Integra, there's over 40,000 agents. They own a lot of the Remax franchises in the world, over half of the Canadian franchises, New England, some in the Midwest, South America. 155 of their agents have our certification, and they booked us for 2 other live certification classes already in 2019. And we've given away over $50,000 in Lux scholarships this year alone. So agents that have applied for a scholarship, maybe they came on tough times or they needed to be rewarded from their broker owner, and we've done that, over $50,000 in Lux scholarships. We're proud to do that. And we are also recognized by the International Property Award as being the property consultant winner, not just in the United States, but globally. We've won a couple awards from this company, and we've been recognized as being one of the best consulting businesses for agents looking to sell more high-end and luxury properties. So again, if you want more information, shoot us an email. My contact information is below. If you're looking for some great free content, check out our podcast. It's at Luxury Listing Specialist on iTunes and Stitcher, or you can go to luxurylistingpodcast.com. And again, I'm going to leave you with a saying that I normally say at the end of most of my videos. It's prove them wrong. Continue to raise the bar. We have a lot to be thankful for. Keep helping people up and instead of putting people down. And we look forward to continuing to raise the bar in 2019. My name is Michael LaFido, and remember, it's not the market, it's the marketing. Take care.